and better than the rest of us. Now you are the best of us.
Not so.
Nope. Wait. Not. Wait. So boom. Not so fast. Your will.
Yeah, that's Nick.
Your Nick. All right. Great. You're Nigel. All right. Great. Here we go. Do it.
Da-da, like that, right? Da-da, ba-dum. Okay.
I don't know. Whatever it sounds like in the recording. Do that. Okay. Here we go. Better than the rest of us. Ready. And better than the rest of us. Now you are the best of us.
Not so fast.
Hello, Will.
Good.
I knew you wouldn't go
Again,
down
do it
without a
again,
fight.
again. Right. Better. Can we get a B? Better. Ready. And better than the rest of us. Now you are the best of us.
Not so fast.
Oh, it's you.
Okay, William H. Macy. Anybody know? No. No, you don't know who he is. Okay. Great actor. Is he a great actor?
Yes.
Okay. He's on Shameless. Said the great actors use space. Wait. They wait longer.
It's a good line and good advice.
Something like that.
And you need to wait also, Sam.
The longer you, he said, the longer you wait, the better the actor you are.
Hello,
It could be.
Well, I mean, you gotta look at where he is and then
Yeah.
where we are.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here we go. 122. 1, 2. Better than the rest of us. Now you are the best of us.
Not so fast.
Hello, Will. I knew you wouldn't go down without a fight.
Tossa, nay, thou shalt doth jest. I say on my honor here, I doubt protest.
Yawn, rhyming couplets, that is so 1580.
Oh yeah. Well, if you want to make it to the top, then you're gonna have to go through me. Cause on the top is where I live, and I will not be giving up that easily. So there.
Oh man, I have been waiting for this moment for so long. I'm going to enjoy it when I knock you off your perch.
Oh no, you won't.
Oh yes, I will.
Oh no, you won't.
Oh yes, I will.
Oh no, you won't.
Oh yes, I will.
Oh no, you won't. My accomplishments are much more accomplished than yours.
In your dreams, I am the best.
You can't be the best because I am the best. I've written 12 plays, and each one is a testament to my great skill. I am the Will. And I wrote Taming of the Shrew and Richard III and Richard II and Henry IV and 5 and 6 and Titus Andronicus. And oh, did I forget Romeo and Juliet.
Well, I have just written the thing that the critics are calling the greatest thing they ever seen, but people are loving it, can't get enough of it, everyone, even including the Queen. She recently invited me to her castle where she knighted me, and privately she told me that you're not any good, not any good, not any good, not any good. And she told me that all of your plays make her vomit, and nothing's as good as my musical omelet.
Wait a minute. You wrote Omelet?
Yes.
I never thought that I might meet my equal, but I concede I have been bested by the best. Maybe we could partner on a sequel.
Oh my, how the tide has turned. Let's review. What have we learned? See, you were here, but now we swap. So kiss this bottom, I'm on the top.
Here's the cut.
He's on top.
Here's the cut. Here's the cut.
You go right to two.
Cut. Pick up your pencils.
Hey, Mia, Aaron, and everybody, that was pretty good. And Jayla, Sam, nice going, Jayla, Sam.
Muy bien.
Sam, good job not tripping up on the words.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dobby Diggs over here.
Okay, everyone quiet please. The cut is where? Quiet please.
After 195. Play
Please.
195.
Hold on. Please.
Play measure 195 and jump to 214.
Okay, so cross all that out. Cut.
But here's the thing. Who's playing there?
Shut it.
who's playing, you need to make that a G sharp.
What are you?
The last
Concert?
note,
Concert?
concert G sharp. Because we're going into a new page. 195, the very last beat. Bam! That has to be, there's concert G natural there, but that needs to become G sharp. And then jump to 214.
Concert. You're talking concert.
Yes.
I got it. Look.
Mr. Brody,
Who's
that
got it?
costs
You got it?
extra.
Okay. There you go. Clarinet.
Clarinet?
Not a G.
The concert G sharp or A flat.
Cass, stay still, please. You can sit down for a
Yes.
second, Cass.
Make it an A flat. Or A flat, whatever.
Concert pitch.
Concert pitch G sharp. G sharp, yes.
That's another nickel.
At least a nickel. I don't know, maybe 8 cents. Huh? Or like, I don't know, 8 pence.
I guess so.
And then we have more cut.
Okay.
So we have more cut.
Okay, listen up. Okay, so at 195. Okay, everybody who plays on this song, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you play on this song. All right. Okay. You're silent, basically. Okay, so 95, we jump to 214. Correct? Okay, next.
Next is cross out 239. Oh, I'm sorry, 238 to 243.
Okay. And we just played the last measure. Okay.
Last measure. Da-da-da.
237 jumps to 244.
Yes. Play 237.
Yeah,
but
we're
there's
playing
nobody
to
there.
bottoms up.
Yeah, bottoms up.
And then last bar. After you guys hear bottoms up, you jump to 244, which is the last measure. Everyone got it? Anybody confused about the cuts? Speak now or
Forever.
try not to bother me later, or anybody, because we're talking about it now. Got it?
So 244 is the last one we cut off before.
Okay. So 238 through 243 are gone. 238 to 243 are gone.
So basically, he says bottoms up, and then you guys go ba-da-ba.
Okay, comprendes?
See?
Okay.
Should we try 188
Yeah, 182.
or 182?
Never thought that I'd
Jayla, Sam,
equal.
Jayla, Sam, come back, and you guys come back when it's your turn.
Right at 182. Ready? Go.
I never thought that I might meet my equal.
83.
I can see what I've
184.
invested by the bed.
Oh my, how the tide has turned. Let's review. What have we learned? See, you were here, but now we swap. So kick this bottom, I'm on the top. He's on top. He's on top. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, you guys were great. Let's just do it again. Let's go for maybe 188. 188.
Oh my, how the tides have turned. Okay, here we go. 188. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and oh, tides have turned.
let's review. What have we learned? See, you were here, but now we swap. So kiss this bottom, I'm on the top.
He's on top. He's on top. Wah, 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 wah. Sammy's not gonna be on top. He's on top. He's on top. Wah, 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 wah. Sammy's not gonna be on top. Sammy's not gonna be on top. Sammy's not gonna be on top.
That's right. Omelet? I'm not so sure about this.
Well, I am. So raise a glass to Omelet, the musical. Bottoms up.
Alright, there's your cue. At 2:37, do you guys... At 2:37, instrumentalists, right? Do you guys have bottoms up there? It says it? Great. Okay.
So Jenny, it should go bottoms up.
Bottoms up, bum.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so beat 3 and 4 are gone. Okay, instrumentalists, beat 3 and 4 of 237 are gone. Do you play on this, Armando? Huh. 237, beat 3 and 4 are gone now. Bottoms up, beat a dot.
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Bottoms up, beat up, bottoms up. Wait. Bottoms up.
No,
Leave
because
it?
we're going bottoms up, bottoms up.
Okay. Disregard. Erase that.
Let's
And
just have
Sam,
Sam say bottoms up.
you need to do that in time.
Which one?
Bottoms up, you need to say it in time.
Okay.